Hey guys, this is Eliana here, and today we're going to be going over onion skins and pan movements for your animation. So this is an example of what I'm going to be doing today. See how the bunny is walking and the walking animation is pretty smooth and consistent, and how the carrot comes closer? Well, that's how we're going to be doing that through onion skin and panning. Let's go to a new document. If your timeline isn't showing yet, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Windows and select Timeline. And we're going to be creating a video timeline, not a frame animation. So let's select that. And because we're making a frame-by-frame animation, let's move this down to 2 frames. There we go. And that's actually going to be the background. So let's get a new one in here. And we have to turn this one up as well. There we go. So this will be our white background that goes underneath it. And this will be the frames. So let's Command C and Command V a few times. And let's just go with 28 frames. So for the onion skin, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this little 3 lines right there and click Enable Onion Skins. If you want to edit the settings, you can go to Onion Skin Settings, and you can change the opacity of it. And then you can also change how many frames it shows before and after. We're okay with this, so let's just press OK and start off. So let's just do like a little line going through the motion. Oops, wrong button. And now let's play it and see how it looks. Alright, it's looking pretty nice. And let's try and see how it looks without the onion skins on. Alright, pretty good. So, if you want a background, what you're going to want to do, like if you want a background that pans, you're going to have to make the image size bigger for it. So let's just copy this layer and paste it into here. And we'll put it right there. And let's move it down a bit. Alright, so there we go. We got a background in place that we can pan. So we're gonna move to animation that's a little more further on ahead, which is this one. And see, I already have the bunny prepared and it's walking, but the background isn't moving. So I'm gonna move down video group 5, which is the one with the carrot. Click on this little arrow, and you're going to want to click on the transform stopwatch. Now you can move it. So let's move this carrot right here, and then we're going to move forward a few frames until the bunny stops walking, which will be right here. And now let's move this carrot closer, and let's see how this looks. Alright, it looks pretty good. So now that we got our animation, you know how to get started. Good luck and all, have a good time, and make sure that you might actually want to turn off the onion skins while doing the backgrounds, because it makes it look really dark and it's a bit harder to see what's going on. See? So always do the onion skins for the line art, but when you're doing the coloring and the backgrounds, take the onion skins off. Have a good one.